Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review video. Thank you to Nadula here. We got a new wig. Let's see what's inside. And here we go. Now this is the box. Oh, it's sealed. Alright, let's see what's inside. Bag to store the wig, edge band, makeup brush, wig cap. We got another band with the company's name, and of course we got a robe. Yes, this is a robe, a nude robe. Then we have another wig cap, so we get two sets of wig cap, which is pretty amazing. We have enough. And now this is the wig. Invisible knot, bye-bye knot, Yaki bob. You can make this wig glueless, which that's exactly what we're gonna do. I'm excited to try a Yaki hair in a bob. I know they curl really good. We have a 14-inch in this hair. I'm excited for this because I am going to flex this wig. This is how it looks. It looks super natural. Y'all see that? And this is a Yaki hair. So I'm excited to do the install for this wig. So beautiful. Almost look like your real hair. We have a adjustable band, a comb, and then we have the sticks around the wig to ensure it's snug on the head, which is amazing. So it has the band and the clips. This clip is a bit wider, which is first time I'm seeing that, but I'm excited to try it. The knots are pre-bleach and the lace is already cut, so you can just go ahead and install the wig. Beautiful. We're gonna go ahead, see that? It looks so natural. And this one is the bye-bye knots, which means it's more natural. And I love the color, the texture of the hair. Ooh, the Yaki, it is so good. These hair all curl, so I'm super excited to try this. We're not gonna cut it. It's 14 inches. You can choose 12 or 14, and I went with the 14-inch. So let's get into this install. Alright guys, it's time for us to install the wig. And I want to show you guys the difference with the knots. Now, this is our traditional knot on the wig. Okay? And I want to go in and show you the difference with the traditional knot and the bye-bye knot. So you guys see, take a good look. It's right there. I'm gonna take this wig off and we're gonna go in with the wig that we are about to install. Head is too big. Now, I want you guys to dig into the details of this knot. I know you can see it, how the bye-bye knot look like it's already plucked, bleach, everything, even though the lace is pre-bleach, but you guys can see the difference. And this has no makeup on it or anything. This is all natural. Bye-bye knots, okay? The other one has makeup on it a little bit. I normally go in, add my makeup to it, but just look at that lace. You're not seeing anything. It looks like it's already plucked and already had makeup and everything. So basically they're making the wig super easy for persons to install them. As you also can see, there is no lace attached. So you guys can literally just put this wig on, style it, and there you go. So we need a round of applause for the Bye Bye Knot wig. Absolutely love it. It's a beauty. All right. With that being said, we're going to install this wig. And I feel like I want to make it into a side part. It is super natural. I want to wear it with the natural length that it comes with. It is 14 inches. You have the option to do 12 or 14, but I want to wear it so because it's a Yaki hair, so I want to wear it and make it look like my natural hair. So we're going to prep it and go in. I went ahead and we added makeup to the lace. Now we're going to put it back on. We're doing the side part this way. Even though it has that middle part, we're going to go and make it a side part. Alright guys, we are gonna install the wig. I started to braid my hair already because I want to make sure that the wig is laying flat, even though it is a 7x5 closure. So we're gonna go in and finish these braids. Then we're gonna do the install. All right, y'all, so we're done the hair. I am going to add a cap. I'm also doing on TikTok, so we have 2 camera using. All right, y'all, this is the here we have the wig already styled, so we're gonna add it to our head. Y'all, look at that! And we didn't do nothing as yet. Now look at the lace. Like, this is the Bye Bye knots, okay, which you're not seeing any knots. We're gonna go in and just semi hold it down with just a little bit of ear spray. But I wanted to show you guys how perfect it looks. I added makeup to the lace already, and then we're gonna go in and fix everything. I feel like I need to change the parting a little bit. let's get into it because my makeup is already done. So basically, I want to do more of like, because it looks so natural. So let me give you guys a little rundown, right? So I went to pick up the kids from gymnastic and I didn't get to finish the wig, which completely, you know, I laid down and everything, but I had to go and pick them up. And guess what? They thought it was my real hair. They were like, oh my God, your hair has grown. So this Yaki thing, like if you want to trick your co-workers, girl, this is the way. This is it right here. I absolutely love it. And it's not a full lace. Come on, Nadula. Listen, I feel natural. I feel like in my girly girl. You know that part of it? Oh, have a buzz. And you don't need to do much to it because it feels so much like your real hair. Absolutely love it. Love it, guys. This is a win-win. Win-win here. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm just adding, because I took the 14 inches. I wanted a bob look, but not like a straight bob. Hence why we are going with a more side part for you guys to know that, you know, for that natural feel to it. So yeah, that's why I'm trying to add a little bit of curls, not too much. I'm gonna put a little bit more on this side. Girl, you see that? Yes. Let's get into this curl and then talk about the wig. Beautiful hair. Beautiful. I know you guys are seeing it and I'm pretty sure you love it because I'm loving it. It's not even a full lace. It's 7x5. Okay? Beautiful. Let's keep curling. Okay. Me not frightened for people, not frightened for people. No, some people are frightened for me. In a me own lane, in me own lane. Guys, this is the finished look. Nadula here. This is it. This is the classy working class, you know, that type of vibe, that type of girl. Beautiful. This is in length 14. It's in 14 inches. Absolutely love it. All I did, because I bring it to the side, I just took off a little bit. That's all. Absolutely love it. Looks so natural. I'm in love. Let me show you guys the back of the hair. Everything will be in the description, okay? So make sure you guys check it. Here we are. So pretty. So make sure you guys check the description. Everything, you don't need to cut it, and I recommend this length. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you to Nadula hair. It's a Yaki hair, so it have that natural texture for us black girls. Listen, it's the vibe, okay? And then remember the bye-bye knots. You cannot get away with this knot. It is beautiful. It looks so natural. It's a complete win-win. So make sure you guys check the description. Let's get into the slow-mo.